This is a very interesting video, no, is it? Filming the sky. I swear if you pull my hair one more time, I'm going to slap you.
Get your own towel then.
He's mad because I'm laying my head on his towel. This is my younger brother, TJ. My other younger brother that's younger than him is at my house. I'm currently at my grandma's house right now. He just gave me his towel, apparently. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a very boring video, by the way. Just kidding, we're gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff and stuff and stuff. Oh my god, a towel. Okay, this is no fun. Hey look, a car. Oh my god. A car. He feels so excited for himself because he got a blanket instead of a towel. So that's my towel now, right?
Yep, this is mine.
At least my towel looks better than yours because mine's actually a towel. What am I saying? I don't know.
This is mine now. It used to be Glimmon's, but Glimmon let me have this.
Okay. Say hi to the audience and to everybody watching this video. Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
People.
Hi, YouTube on
YouTube
Hey,
on people?
people.
What in the world?
Hey, people that are watching YouTube.
Whoa, you're like camouflage right now. Ready? Phew, phew. Oh my god. Run, Titan, run! Titan, come here! Titan. Titan. This is Titan. He's a Labrador Retriever mixed with a Chow Chow. And he's like the best dog ever. Aren't you? Titan. Titan, you better look at me when I'm talking to you. Don't you walk away. Titan. 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 Oh, you're getting your Frisbee. And you're not about to lay down, are you? Because last time you did that. He's like all excited because I'm about to throw his Frisbee. His, oh my gosh, Frisbee. It's so beat up and covered in slobber. You are a nasty dog. Nasty. I say, he just took it from my hand. Titan, Titan, no. Thank you for dropping it. I say we throw the Frisbee on TJ and see what happens. Attack! Let's do it again and see if he actually attacks. Dog pile! How are you? Oh my gosh. I see you.
What, did you move this or something?
No. Titan, go lay in a pile of flowers. Go prance in flowers. Go prance. Go prancing. You see all that shiny stuff on his Frisbee? That's dog slobber. Titan, you better keep your stuff clean. And I don't mean lick it. Because this is just nasty. Now this is the second Frisbee we've gotten for him. Be funny if it hit TJ again. Ooh, tiny trampoline. Let's do this thing. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh. I can't do this. It's too tiny. Ooh, butterfly. Ready, Titan? And when I throw the Frisbee at TJ, you're gonna attack him and get the TJ. He likes this plan. That's why he's wagging his tail. and attack TJ at the same time and get his frisbee. Does that sound good to you? That sound good? Is that good? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Ready? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. To do this? Yeah, let's do this. Get a little bit closer. You can't see me. Good job. Good job. You look like a worm. I can hear you laughing. And I can see the blanket moving. Because you're laughing. Oh my gosh, the back. And an elbow.
Sunlight!
Yep, burn. Knee. Oh. A flip-flop. A shirt and pants. Hair.
Sunlight.
I wonder what could be over there. And talking. I wonder what it is. Butterfly. Alright, we still got 2.5 minutes. Or 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Then I will be turning off this video. Ah, buggy. Ah. I got the hiccups. Sorry, I had to hold my breath. Titan. So, since I'm a killer car, are you gonna, like, chase after me? Let's see. I'm gonna be running backwards. Apparently not. Fine, be that way. I'm Christine, the killer car. What are you? Didn't think so. What do you want? You look like an oversized marshmallow. Okay, how could he... Where's Mickey? The evil Bichon.
Chrissy!
I'm right here. Sunlight, you burn. You're all sweaty and stuff.
I don't have any things on and socks on.
Bum, 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 bum.
Chrissy!
About 30 seconds. So yeah, 30 seconds. Let's go say hi to the turtle. Simon the turtle. Then we'll turn it off. You can't hear me. SpongeBob. Awesome. I'm not here. Yeah, whatever those are. Alright, well, it just hit 9 minutes and I'm going a little bit over. Flowers, oh my god. I'm going a little bit over. Anyways, I need to make this quick. Next video is Saturday. There may be more in between. Hold on! And everything. Butterfly. Oh my gosh. Bee. Backing away from the bee. Or wasp. Whatever it is. Anyways. Oh my gosh. 30 more seconds and I'll have gone 1 minute over. Alright, I've got to go. Signing off. Thanks for watching. New videos every Saturday. Signing off. FOTP. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. Blah, blah, blah. Bye!